Traditional ice cream sandwiches are great, but to update the classic a bit with a full flavored blood orange coconut sherbet sandwiched between large soft and chewy chocolate sugar cookies is an excellent alternative. They are very delicious, so I like to make mine huge, but they can be cut in half or quartered so they can be shared bite-sized with a friend or two. Start by making a chocolate drop cookie recipe. Portion the cookies with a large scoop, about 45 grams for a 5-inch cookie. Roll the dough in your hands to make round balls and roll them again in cane sugar to coat their entire surface. Then spread the sugar-dusted cookie dough portions evenly on a lined baking tray so they have room to spread, and bake them in a preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius oven for 10 minutes. If you like a soft and chewy chocolate sugar cookie, they will be done when they are flat and look slightly undercooked in the middle, but you can leave them in the oven for another minute or two for a crispier cookie. Allow the chocolate drop cookies to cool, then prepare a recipe of blood orange coconut sherbet and freeze it in a gelato machine. When the blood orange coconut sherbet has thickened and looks like soft serve, scoop it into a piping bag with a large star tip. Pipe a layer onto the chocolate sugar cookie and add another cookie on top. Then place the sherbet sandwich in the freezer to harden. When you are ready to serve your dessert, cut the cookie into quarters and arrange on a plate. Garnish with a dusting of vanilla icing sugar and a sprig of fresh mint.